Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. This is Triple Play Saturday round one, and you know how it go. You don't want to miss not one round, so stay tuned because we got MD in the building. What's up? Welcome to Triple Play Saturday round one, and today we got Matteo, Dini in the building, and there's going to be a giveaway for 3 winners, no matter the country. All you simply got to do is comment in the comment section down below. That's it. That's all. Let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called MD116. Very nice looking watch face. I love the layout. I love the placement of all the information. In the always on mode, you're going to get the same look pretty much for the most part. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. But for the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but you're going to get all the important information you need to see at a glance. When the watch face is on, this thing really looks good. You get the name of the watch face up at the top. You come down, you get a nice looking battery icon along with the battery percentage. You come over, you get 24-hour time. You come down from there, you're going to get goal completed so far as your steps are concerned. And you also are going to get a digital time. This one here is 12 hours. You come down, you get the day of the week along with the date. And this meter represents your heart rate. I thought that was pretty cool, very different, and you still get the number of your heart rate right there. You go up, you get calories burned, you also get your steps, miles walked around. This is definitely a awesome looking watch face. Now, you do have a custom app shortcut, which I love. I love those. If you tap right here, you can set it to whatever you want to set it to, apps, gallery, email, music. Let's set it to music. Set it to music, and now when I tap right there, it brings up my music. I thought that was very cool. Giving 2 thumbs up to Matteo Dini for that one. And if you want to customize the color, just double tap right here on time and it will change the color for you. Not a bad look at all. What do you think? I thought Matteo Dini got down on this watch face. You get so many different colors to choose from. Very vibrant, very nice. Worth the price in the Gear Manager store. Yes, I did say it. It is affordable. You see how many different watch face colors you get from this one, and it keeps going and going and going. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. If you want this watch face, check this out in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, it is worth its weight in gold. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday round one. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for Triple Play Saturday round two. Don't miss not one round. All right, you all, you like the video? Hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you at the next video. Take care.